My name is Andy Roberts, one of the directors of JAHJAH Foundation. And Mr. Williams, we want to thank you on behalf of JAHJAH Foundation for your donation and for your continuous help to the JAHJAH Foundation and the Jamaican people.
We appreciate it.
Yeah, so on behalf of the JAHJAH Foundation, we want to thank you for always supporting us. Thank you for coming out and supporting the people of Jamaica. You know, and we appreciate you guys.
Absolutely.
Appreciate you.
Very welcome.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you everyone for supporting the JAHJAH Foundation and supporting the people of Jamaica. Thank you very much for helping us out.
Thank you for calling. Of course,
you did an excellent job, and we look forward to calling on you in the future to help out JAHJAH Foundation. All right?
Okay, thank you very much.
I just want to say on behalf of the JAHJAH Foundation, thank you for all the work you've done over the years. You know, you've helped us on many occasions. And you know, your preferred shipping company is Transcribe, preferred shipping company, JAHJAH Foundation, and the world. You know, so we really appreciate Transcribe and you guys for always stepping up to the plate. On behalf of the JAHJAH Foundation, thank you for always supporting us.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm going to wear it proudly.
Well, guess what? Donnie and Dion, they're friends of mine, they're friends of JAHJAH, and we just want to thank them for always supporting JAHJAH Foundation, and thanks St. Catherine alumni for supporting us always in all our endeavors. Appreciate you, Donnie. Appreciate you, man.
Always,
Take care.
as always.
Life of a volunteer in the JAHJAH Foundation is not easy. It's a 24/7 job.
God bless JAHJAH Foundation.